What is the area of the isosceles trapezoid with diagonal of length 10 and middle line of length 8? Solution. Consider the blue and the green triangles. They are equal, so the area of the trapezoid is equal to the area of the rectangle. The horizontal side of this rectangle is equal to the middle side of the trapezoid, or 8, because these are opposite sides of the parallelogram. So the height of the yellow triangle and simultaneously of the rectangle is equal to square root of 100 minus 64, or 6. It means that the area of the rectangle and hence the area of the trapezoid is equal to 48.